So MOHSIN, amazing collection. This is so exciting. I just wanted to ask you a few. I mean, we're so close to the fabrics, and obviously we have our part to be able to create a tool for designers to then be able to create a garment that's zero waste. But we have to start with fabric. So I just wanted to ask, from your perspective, what did you think of the fabrics? Just, I know there is a mixture of, some salvage. There's some that have stretch, varying levels of stretch, some that are rigid. We wanted to, be able to give as many, commercial offerings. And I know we have to hit many markets, many different needs. So just wanted your perspective on what you thought of the range of fabrics.
Do you know what? I was really excited about this from the beginning. I've always wanted to do a zero waste collection, but I knew from the beginning we had to use all of the fabric. Like, even I know that when you buy fabrics from any mill or any company, you have a cuttable width, so they don't sometimes calculate how wide it really is. They just give you the estimate of where you should cut. So actually, the first process was actually getting all your fabrics, and there were a mixture of amazing selvages and non-selvage, and as you said, stretch. And I was really excited about the task of making styles to fit every single fabric exactly. And that was the first phase. But it was awesome. I liked the fact, even with the selvages, I had to do some really clever ways of manipulating it. I had to do, that's the thing, when you're pattern cutting, you one thing like designing a collection on paper and drawing it, but when you're doing a collection like this, you actually have to think like a pattern cutter. So you have to sit down and think about, okay, I'm going to put this pocket here, but there's waste here. So I'm having to adjust the patterns every time, put a dart here to use up more of the fabric. So actually, it was a completely different way of working that I've never worked before, ever. And it was so exciting. It made me feel, as a student like 25 years ago. So I was really excited about it. But the fabrics were awesome. And all the ones that I used, I had no issues with any of them. But also the thread that we used also from A&E was great as well. So it was a lovely touch. But a little thing that I added was I made sure that even all the pocketing was in the fabric pattern as well. So all of these styles, I didn't want to, it'll be awesome later on to share these patterns to everyone else. So if a student wants to order this fabric, we can give them a pack of the pattern and they can have a go at making this style. So my idea was to do a pattern piece that fit exactly that style, including all the binding and the pocketing. So it was quite a fun task. But no, fabrics from CONE, you can't go wrong.